Oh, I just the one in the bottom I did not put extra right now, so but that's the side. And I just reinforce the one over here because the border got cracked. That's why instead of straight line, I remember now that the bird, they need to hang in it. So if I put like this, then they can, it's hard for them to hang on. So at least in there they can put the claw of the bird. And maybe in here I'm gonna put some water. Probably put some water over here and over there. And my board, I don't have the same board because that's it I have. So I just over there I just put there's a lap over here. Just wait. So the bird can go up in here, can stand up in here. So it's the back. I put now the roof. That's the leg.